Okay, Elijah. A couple things. Your writing is actually okay. You need to work on some basic sentences. I mean, if you look here, a couple things first. I mean, if you look here, this is, oops, this is one big giant long sentence. Probably, that's not going to be okay. So you need to use some sentences in your writing because they're huge, and they shouldn't be. They should be, one or two thoughts per sentence, and you have several sentences combined there in one. Okay, that's the first thing. Your writing wasn't actually too bad, but let's take a look at it more closely. I think the thing that bothered me a little bit about your writing is that you didn't have a clearly defined thesis and you didn't have a clearly defined paragraph structure that made it difficult for you to use transitions. Okay, let's take a look at that and see what I mean by that. Okay, it says, I am a true friend, but I am not a person that is perfect. Okay, one of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is to understand and to be understood. Okay, so your paper is about being a true friend, and so that's good. I see that. Okay, and it says, I am a true friend, but I am not a person that is perfect, but I am a person that is caring. But sometimes I judge others. But sometimes I judge other times I talk it out. Sometimes I fight it out. But no matter what, I am a true friend and a caring friend, and I don't care what people say about me. I am what I am. If someone wants to say something, I make them say it to my face. But if people talk about my friends, I tell them I don't let anybody talk about anybody about my friends, and that is why I am a true friend. Okay, a couple things. You explain your quote on what it means to you, I guess, but that needs to be a little bit more clear. For example, true friendship to me means, okay? You're going to say it very clearly. And then you kind of start writing your paper here. I need an explanation of your quote, a very concise. So I need a concise, concise. Oops. I guess I can't write off the paper. Sorry about that. Let's get rid of that then. Sorry about that. I want a concise interpretation. I'm just going to say it. I'm not going to write it out because it's difficult to write on here. I want a concise interpretation of your quote. And then I want a thesis statement that is defined. A well defined thesis. Okay? And it's not. It's all over the place. I don't know exactly what your paper is going to be about. Your thesis needs to be in one sentence. For example, if you're talking about being caring, being, I don't know, you don't have any clear topics for your paragraphs. If they need something, I try to get it. Okay, so you're there for them, you're caring, and okay, and it looks like you talk about needing friends. Okay, so true friends. Okay, what makes, so your thesis might be something like this. What makes me, and this needs to come at the end because you need to organize your paper. So you talk about being caring, you talk about being there for them, and you talk about you needing them. Okay, when they in this paragraph. So that's what your thesis needs to tell me about. Okay. So your thesis at the end of your paragraph, your introduction, after you tell me that your quote, what your quote means, right down here at the very bottom, you need to give me a well-defined thesis. It could say something like this. I have several character traits that make me a true friend. I am caring. I am there for them. I am caring. I am there for them. Sometimes, and then you're going to have to talk about needing someone. Okay, so true friendship is important to me, and I'm a true friend because I'm caring and I'm always there for them. All right, and then you could go into, because you're switching topics. I depend on my true friends, and sometimes I need my true friends, or I also need my true friends as well, or something like that. So you're gonna define your 3 body paragraphs. It's gonna be more difficult because you're actually switching your focus here on the last one. Here you're talking about what makes you a good friend, and here you're talking about needing your friends, which is okay. It's just going to be harder to combine that into one sentence, so you're probably going to use 2 sentences for your thesis. But at the end of your paragraph, you need a well-defined thesis, okay? And then your topic sentence needs to address in each paragraph your topic. Although being caring and chill is important to me, although is you're going to be talking about something else. Okay, although this, and that's not what you're doing. You need to start with being caring and chill is important to me, and or being caring and chill. The fact that I'm caring and chill helps me be a true friend, or whatever. That's going to be your topic sentence. Down here, you need a topic sentence. Another thing that makes me a true friend, you could start it out like that. Another thing that makes me a true friend is that I'm always there for them. I'm always there for them, and I understand them, okay, or whatever it is. You need to talk about that here, okay? Down here, although I'm caring, I enjoy being there for my friends. Sometimes I also need my friends to be there for me, and then that could be your topic sentence here, okay? So maybe let me put those in here so you can see. Okay, so here you need a well-defined. Oops, sorry. Let me okay, here you need a well-defined thesis. Okay, you need to address each body paragraph. Here you need a topic sentence. Okay, being one thing that makes me a true friend is that I care, is that I'm caring and chill. So not one thing, a couple things. Okay, down here, another topic sentence. Okay, if they need something, I try to be there. Okay, along with being caring, I am also there for my friends. Period. Okay, down here, topic sentence. Although I am caring, and I am always there for my friends, sometimes I need my friends to be there for me, period. Because that's what you're talking about down here, okay? So those are your transitions and your topic sentences that should be there, and then you need to have a well-defined thesis here at the end that explains it. The other thing you need right here is you need to explain the quote in concise terms. All right. Well, good luck, and if you have questions, let me know.